Patio doors have become one of the most sought-after home upgrades among Meridian homeowners, and it's easy to see why. These versatile doors do much more than provide access to a backyard, patio, or deck. They enhance natural light, improve functionality, increase energy efficiency, and create a stronger connection between indoor and outdoor living spaces. Whether homeowners are renovating their current property or building a new home, patio doors offer a combination of beauty and practicality that makes them an attractive investment. From improving everyday comfort to increasing property value, modern patio doors provide benefits that appeal to a wide range of homeowners. Creating a seamless indoor-outdoor connection. One of the biggest reasons patio doors are so popular is their ability to connect interior living spaces with the outdoors. Large glass panels create a visual extension of the home, making rooms feel larger and more open. Whether leading to a backyard, garden, deck, or patio, these doors make it easy to transition between indoor and outdoor areas. Homeowners who enjoy entertaining guests, hosting family gatherings, or simply relaxing outside appreciate the convenience and accessibility patio doors provide. This seamless connection helps maximize the enjoyment of both indoor and outdoor living spaces. Bringing more natural light into the home. Natural light has a significant impact on how a home looks and feels. Dark rooms can appear smaller and less inviting, while bright spaces often feel more open and welcoming. Patio doors feature expansive glass surfaces that allow abundant sunlight to enter the home. This increased natural light can transform living rooms, dining areas, kitchens, and family rooms, creating a brighter and more comfortable environment. Many homeowners find that increased daylight reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day while enhancing the overall atmosphere of their home. Enhancing energy efficiency. Modern patio doors are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Older doors may allow drafts, air leaks, and heat transfer that can make maintaining comfortable indoor temperatures more difficult. Today's patio doors often include features such as double or triple pane glass, low-E glass coatings, insulated frames, advanced weather-stripping, energy-efficient glass packages. These technologies help reduce energy loss and improve insulation throughout the year. For Meridian homeowners, energy-efficient patio doors can contribute to lower heating and cooling costs while improving indoor comfort. Improving home aesthetics. Patio doors are available in a wide variety of styles, materials, and finishes, making it easy to find options that complement virtually any architectural design. Popular patio door styles include sliding patio doors, French patio doors, multi-panel patio doors, contemporary glass door systems. Homeowners can customize their doors with decorative glass, hardware finishes, grille patterns, and frame colors to achieve the desired look. The visual impact of a well-designed patio door can significantly enhance both the interior and exterior appearance of a home. Increasing property value. Homebuyers often appreciate features that improve functionality, energy efficiency, and aesthetics. Patio doors offer all three benefits, making them an attractive selling point for many properties. Updated patio doors can contribute to improved curb appeal, better natural lighting, and enhanced living spaces. These advantages may increase a home's marketability and perceived value. Even homeowners who are not planning to sell immediately can benefit from the long-term value that quality patio doors provide. Easy operation and convenience. Modern patio doors are designed for smooth and reliable operation. Sliding doors glide effortlessly along tracks, while French doors provide wide openings that enhance accessibility. This ease of use makes patio doors practical for everyday living. Whether carrying groceries, moving furniture, or welcoming guests, homeowners appreciate the convenience that modern patio door systems offer. Advanced hardware and durable construction help ensure dependable performance for years to come. Expanding views of the outdoors. Large glass panels provide unobstructed views of outdoor spaces, allowing homeowners to enjoy their surroundings from the comfort of their homes. Whether overlooking a landscaped yard, garden, or outdoor entertainment area, patio doors help bring the beauty of the outdoors inside. These expanded views can make interior spaces feel more connected to nature while enhancing overall enjoyment of the property. Supporting better ventilation, many patio door styles can be opened to allow fresh air into the home. Improved ventilation helps promote airflow and can create a more comfortable indoor environment during mild weather. Fresh air circulation can help reduce stuffiness and improve overall indoor comfort, making patio doors both functional and enjoyable. A smart upgrade for Meridian Homes patio doors have earned their popularity among Meridian homeowners because they combine style, functionality, and long-term value. Their ability to increase natural light, improve energy efficiency, enhance outdoor access, and elevate home aesthetics makes them a worthwhile investment. For homeowners looking to improve comfort, maximize living space, and enhance the overall appeal of their property, modern patio doors offer a practical solution that delivers benefits for years to come.